Hello children and welcome to the online teaching session. Children, in the previous video, I taught you noun and all its different kinds. Now, today we will solve some exercise. Children, I know that during lockdown, you are not able to purchase books or copies, and that's why I will write exercises on board and then I will give you the answers, and afterwards I will give you some more questions that will be your homework. Now, by doing this, at least one thing will be good, that is, while writing these exercises in the copies, you people will enhance or improve your handwriting. So don't worry or don't get panic that you have to write a lot, but you try to write these exercises in the notebook and then you try to solve them. So let's start the exercise. This is your question number 1, and the question number 1 is fill in the blanks with suitable noun. Now, A is the dog held a dash in its mouth. Now here we have to fill this blank with suitable noun. We can write anything here. The dog held a, like dog can hold anything in its mouth. So suppose if I am writing as a ball. So the dog held a ball in its mouth. Now what is this noun? This will be a type of concrete noun, because if you remember that we have read in the concrete noun, the noun in which we can touch the things, then that is called as the concrete noun. So it will be your concrete noun. Now come to the second. The dash handed me a letter. A letter is handed over by some people, and the people is postman. So answer will be postman. Clear? Next, dash love to watch cartoons. Now, who loves to watch cartoons? Answer will be children. Now, it is a common noun. Next, mother was cooking mother is cooking something. Cooking a meal. Even you can write on anything. Cake, pastry, anything that you like. Now, Sachin took a dash and placed it on a dash. Fill in the blanks. Sachin took a, suppose I am writing cup, and placed it on a table. Now once again, concrete noun. Okay, that dash is my dash. The cats were chasing the dash. My aunt is a dash. The hunter was chasing a dash. My grandmother is a dash. These 5 questions will be done by you only, and you will fill it all this. So all these 5 questions are just as your homework. Now let us move to the question number 2. Now question number 2 is underline the proper noun, and the first sentence is we went to Manali in the month of September. Children, if you remember about the proper noun, then I taught you that if some places are there, then that can come under the proper noun if the name of the places are there. Or I told you that for some events, for the month, for the days, if we are using something, then that is called as the proper noun. Now see, I told you that if we are talking about a particular place, that is Manali. So this Manali is a proper noun. Now, in the month of September, Once again, a proper month is given or particular month is given. So this will be your proper noun. Next, Mr. Anil Sharma is taking his family on a vacation to Chennai. Again, a name of a particular person, that is Mr. Anil Sharma. Clear? And name of a particular city, and that is Chennai. Now this is a proper noun. One more example. Frank has just finished reading a book by Roland Dahl. Frank and Roald Dahl. Clear? Now, next three will be your homework. Japan is a small country. New Delhi is the capital of India. And have you visited Singapore? Have you visited Singapore? This is your homework. You have to find out proper noun in all this. Now let's come to the question number 3. Now children, I am giving you question number 3 from the textbook. In the sentences given below, underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns. Question number A is, how many students are there in this class? Now see children, we can count the number of students, and that's why the students will be countable noun. So I told you to underline the countable noun. Here we will underline the students. B. Do you have any information on Singapore and Malaysia? Now, any information. Children, you just remember that we have discussed that in abstract noun, it is only our feeling, it is only our expression, only some ideas. And that's why if the question is any information, then this information is just our understanding, just our feeling. And so it will be uncountable noun. Clear? Form of abstract noun, that is uncountable noun. C is, Sushil has lost a book. A book. Very clear? It is countable noun. In the same way, you have to solve from D to J. Clear? Now come to question number 4. Underline the material nouns in the following sentence. Point number A is, the table was made of wood and steel. Now children, again you remember material noun. I told you the definition that can be used to make some new things. And wood is used to make the table. Along with wood, steel is also used to make the table. And hence, wood and steel will be your material noun. In the same way, gold is an expensive metal used for making jewelry. Now again, gold is a metal and we can use the gold to make some jewelries. So this gold will be the material noun. In the same way, you have to solve C, D and E. Okay children, for today you solve only these 4 questions. In the next video, we will do some more exercises. Thank you. Till then, you stay safe and stay at home.